In this video, I am going to show you how to install Cloudstream on your Android TV. First, make sure your Android TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen and open the Settings menu. Next, go to Device Preferences and select Security and Restrictions. Here, enable the option to allow installations from unknown sources. This step is crucial because Cloudstream is not available on the Google Play Store. Now, you'll need to download the Cloudstream APK file. Open the web browser on your Android TV or use your phone to download the APK from a trusted source. Once the download is complete, transfer the APK file to your Android TV using a USB drive or a file sharing app. After transferring, use a file manager app on your Android TV to locate the Cloudstream APK file. Select the file and choose Install. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, you can find Cloudstream in your app drawer. Launch the app, and you're ready to explore and stream your favorite content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.